The universe is vast, mysterious, and full of secrets. But humanity's quest to explore it is limited by distance and danger. What if AI could be our ultimate astronaut, unlocking the cosmos and pushing the boundaries of discovery? First, AI for autonomous navigation. Spacecraft, rovers, and probes are often millions of miles away, making real-time human control impossible. AI enables these machines to navigate complex terrains, avoid hazards, and make critical decisions autonomously. AI also optimizes mission control, processing vast streams of telemetry data to ensure smooth operations. It's like having a super intelligent co-pilot for every mission. Second, AI for scientific discovery. Telescopes and sensors generate petabytes of data from distant galaxies, exoplanets, and cosmic phenomena. AI algorithms sift through this data, identifying patterns, anomalies, and potential new discoveries that human scientists might miss. From classifying galaxies to detecting exoplanet signatures, AI is accelerating our understanding of the universe. It's turning raw data into cosmic insights. Third, AI for resource utilization. Future space missions will rely on living off the land. AI can identify and analyze potential resources on other planets, like water ice or minerals, and even guide autonomous robots to extract and process them. This includes in-situ manufacturing, where AI-controlled 3D printers build structures or tools using local materials. It's making long-duration space travel and colonization a reality. AI is our most powerful tool for exploring the final frontier. Support space agencies and private companies that are leveraging AI for cosmic discovery. Subscribe to Boomin AI to explore how technology is unlocking the secrets of the universe.